In this video, I will show you how you can free up memory on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Memory. As you can see, we are currently using 59% of our total memory. Now to free up some memory, just tap on Clean Now, and it will close all the apps which are running in the background. Now, after you do that, then just go back and tap on About Phone. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Then on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now after you do that, you will enable developer options on your Samsung phone. Now just go back to the main settings page. Now over here, if you scroll down a bit more, you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on it. Now on this page, if you scroll down, you will find the option for running services. Now just tap on it. Now over here, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now to stop apps from running in the background, just tap on the app and select Stop. Now just scroll down and do the same thing with all the other apps which are running in the background. Now finally, just go to the Recent Apps section. Now over here, if you find an option called Active Apps, just tap on it. And from here, just tap on Stop on the apps which are active in the background. Just tap on Stop. As you can see, the selected app is now stopped. Now just tap on Done. Now if I go back to the settings, let's go back to the Device Care section. I just tap on Memory. As you can see, we have successfully freed up more than 10% of the memory on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.